In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Canva. If you're looking to create professional, clean, and polished text layouts in your designs, knowing how to justify text is an essential skill. Whether you're designing a social media post, a flyer, or a presentation, aligning your text evenly on both sides can make your work look more balanced and visually appealing. And the best part? Canva makes it super simple. Let's dive in. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, no worries. You can sign up for free and start using Canva's basic features right away. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on Canva's homepage. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Create button. This will open up a menu with several options. From here, select Custom Size. Why custom size, you might wonder? Well, creating a canvas with specific dimensions allows you to tailor your design to your exact needs. For instance, you could enter 100 by 50 pixels if you want a small canvas for testing or experimenting with text alignment. Once you've entered your preferred dimensions, go ahead and click the Create New Design button. Canva will now open up your blank workspace. Next, let's add some text to your design. Look over to the left-hand panel, where you'll find the Templates section. Scroll through the available options and choose a template that includes a block of text. Templates are a fantastic way to save time because they not only give you a head start on your design, but also let you see how text interacts with other design elements like colors, shapes, and images. Once you've selected a template, it will appear on your canvas. Now click on any text block within the template to select it. You'll notice a bounding box appear around the text, along with a mini toolbar at the top of your screen. This toolbar contains all the editing options you'll need to customize the text. From the toolbar, locate the text alignment icon. It looks like a set of stacked horizontal lines. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with different alignment options. Here, select Justify. What does this do? Justifying text ensures that it aligns evenly on both the left and right sides of the text box, creating a clean and symmetrical look. This is especially useful for formal designs as it gives your text a professional, polished appearance. Now, you might notice that in some cases, gaps appear between words after justifying the text. Don't worry. This is completely normal and can easily be adjusted. To fix this, try resizing the text box by dragging its edges. Alternatively, you can edit the length of your sentences or adjust the font size to ensure the justified text looks balanced and natural. The goal here is to eliminate any awkward spacing while maintaining the clean, aligned look. Once you've made those adjustments, take a moment to review your design. Look at how the text interacts with the other elements on the page. Make any additional tweaks as needed, whether that's changing the font style, adjusting colors, or repositioning elements. This final step ensures that your design is cohesive and visually appealing. And there you have it. You've just learned how to justify text in Canva. By following these steps, you can create designs that look balanced, professional, and ready to impress. If you have any questions or want to share your own Canva tips, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.